Good afternoon and welcome back. As you can see, it's summer and we are back. Nothing's changed here. Not much has changed here, but quite a lot has changed in France. For those of you who followed that little bit, but we're out here for the weekend. A, to pick up some stuff from France. B, just to keep an eye on what's going on and how far we're getting here. So let's recap where we were last time. Still obviously here in the future kitchen. As you can see, the last layer of plaster that I put up came up really well. There's no seepage, nothing brown coming through. I'm not going to get it any better than that really, so this bit of wall up to there is now ready for painting. So we're going to do exactly the same thing there. Finish that gap up first so that can dry out. I'm going to have to box that in. And I'm going to plaster over here and get that finished and tidied up around this door. And then I can build a frame or a sort of mezzanine floor and do the same thing up there. So it is progress. It's very slow, but we've got France to do. I've got some plaster here, which I'm going to use up today and tomorrow morning. So I could pick up some more if I need some more. But there we go, that's where we are right now. It's hot. It's a bit hot really for plastering, but I think we'll be okay. But I'm really happy with the way that now we know plaster, let it dry and then plaster again, and we're fine. There will be no more seepages. The occasional stone can stick out. I'm probably going to have more and more stones stick out up at the top like there, because it's going to be less relevant than having a smooth surface down here where we'll actually be cooking. And on this side then obviously we need to build a little window for that, but having built this window I'm not too concerned about building another little window. And then it'll be boxing and insulating and layering the ceiling rather. Well, the ceiling inside the roof probably with plasterboard. As the whole family is out, we have to do family stuff too. So we're going to empty this, clean it up, and then put the kids in here so they can survive the heat. Okay, well, here we are. It's bakingly hot and it is now Sunday, and we arrived on Thursday evening very late. So Friday and Saturday, we've done nothing other than eat and drink really, and went to the market. But now that it's Sunday, I'm actually going to have to do something. So I'm going to do a little bit of plastering, and then we have a village lunch down at the bottom. Let's see if we can see the smoke. I can't quite see the smoke. I could see some earlier on. So we're going down there with the rest of the village, and we'll have a lovely long lunch there. Then afterwards I'm meeting Eleanor again, and we shall go and visit some houses and some apartments. And then I'm driving back to Austria this evening, so so that I can be in work tomorrow morning, fresh as a button. So yeah, this massive heat. I'm going to go inside, set up and decide which bit we should plaster next. Okay, so first of all I'm going to do here and bring that higher up, because what I haven't thought out, I guess, is how high I need to go so that I can then start, when I start doing up at the top, I'll be putting planks on top of these beams. So I need to be more or less at that level, so I need to go a little bit higher. And then I guess we'll just keep going around the corner until I run out of muck. I've only got 4 bags, but I've just mixed up 2 because I didn't want to use the cement mixer for 2 bags. So I've mixed them up by hand. That was probably a waste of time, but there we go. So I'm just going to get stuck in, get this corner done, and then I might tidy up that corner as well over there. But we're definitely getting closer to having at least the ground floor properly plastered. So unfortunately it's starting to get a little bit hard already. It's setting much quicker than it was. This is fine, I mean this needs to be done. I'm going to keep going high, I'm going to try and get that as well. And then we'll see, and when it becomes unworkable, we'll just have to give up. But it is just basically too hot really for doing this, but there we go. I'm going to keep going as quickly as best I can. And there we go, that's that. So we got up above the beam. I might make a feature out of that metal beam, paint it black or something with hammerite, who knows. Around here where it was all bust up and the door frame, and then started over here. And I've run out, so I'm not going to do any more because it's basically too hot. You can see how quickly it's drying up the wall there. I hope it doesn't crack too much. So yeah, I think another bag and a bit, and so fill out there, and then it can get upstairs. Now upstairs has a lot of big stones, so I'm going to taper a lot of big stones in, but I need to scrape out the mud like I did downstairs first, and it'll need 2 coats, but I'm going to try and keep it thin up there, because it doesn't need to be as good as down here, I don't think. So yeah, that'll be the plan. And once it's done upstairs, and I've got that window there sort of sorted out, which I need to build, then I'll do the roof, the ceiling rather, and the insulation and the ceiling plasterboard before I get rid of the scaffold and come back down. And then at the end, I'll do some fine plastering everywhere, mostly down here, I guess, but before that I have to do the doors, both the doors. Yeah, and then there'll be the question of the height of the door. Are we setting the terrace? Is the new terrace going to be at exactly the same height as the old one? Or do we need to make the doors open inwards? So these are things I need to think about, which is why I'm talking about them now, because I go back and watch these videos and they do help me think about planning. So yeah, there you go. It's now time, pretty much, step outside for me to have a shower. You can hear the heat, and then head down for some village lunch, which I am most looking forward to.
Ehi!
Ciao.
Roby ci assomiglia.
Ma è la sua mamma!
Era una vita che
Max? No, Linus? Max? Cereal bars, granola bars, whatever. Bueno, ¿eh? Conmigo. Y bebe, pero no disfrutas conmigo. Exacto.
Okay, well, that's it. That's it for this video. I'm now going to head down to town and meet Eleanor to visit a couple of apartments, which you'll now see. And then from there, we're going to drive straight back to Austria. So this all looks fine. I'm just closing up. In fact, it looks better than fine. It looks pretty good. Good base coat now getting everywhere. So I'm not going to say this is leaps and bounds. And again, not much has been done, but I've had a nice weekend away, and I hope you enjoyed the little bits I've managed to share with you. It is still blindingly hot, but there we go. Right, I'm going to pack up. Thank you very much for watching. Take care, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye for now.